we have 7 tips to keep your cool this summer, brought to you by our friends at American Standard, part of our Keep Your Cool Week. Number 1, save any kind of heat generating activities for the evening. So dishwasher, dryer, oven, any of those things, wait till the evening when the temperature's a little cooler.
Then you can reduce your solar heat gain during daylight hours by closing any window treatments like drapes and blinds, especially on south and west facing windows.
Hey, if you have ceiling fans in your home, make sure they're going in the right direction. And that direction is counterclockwise when you're looking up at the ceiling fan. That'll cool you, but it won't cool your room. So when you're not in the room, turn the ceiling fan off to save those energy dollars.
There's 2 things that you can do to maintain your air conditioner yourself, and that's to change out your return air filter regularly and pour a cup of vinegar down your unit's condensation line once a month to keep it free and clear.
And to keep your air conditioning from working too hard, you want to make sure you seal the envelope of your home. That means take a nice slow walk around the outside of your home and look for any cracks around your dryer vent, hose bibs, doors, windows, anything that can rob energy dollars from you. Seal it with caulk or foam if necessary to make sure you're blocking out that hot air.
Then go ahead and schedule an appointment with your HVAC technician to make sure that your unit is up to par for the summer. Take care of any preventative measures. That way you don't have an emergency on your hand when it's the hottest day of the summer.
Hey, you should also consider upgrading your air conditioning system. Variable speed heat pumps are phenomenally efficient, and they basically reverse the process during the winter to heat your home. People don't think about heat pumps to cool your home, but they're extremely effective. Now, if you want to download these 7 tips, all you have to do is head over to todayshomeowner.com/keepyourcool.